Good morning and happy Monday. Today is Vlogmas Day. Today is Vlogmas Day 18. I am pulling in at work. I am off on Mondays. However, I need to clean up from our little festivities from the night before. I have a couple of errands I need to run today, but today is disgusting, as you can see. I also lost power at home, so it was a little bit of a struggle getting ready this morning. I want to, like I said, clean out the studio. I got some errands to run. I'm going to try to get these nails done today, but I don't know if I'm going to have time. So we'll see. But in the meantime, since I couldn't have coffee at home because of the power, I'm making me some coffee. That's what we're going to focus on. All right, so I'm gonna set you up here. Let me see where I can put you guys. Okay, it's not really bad in here. I just gotta wipe surfaces down, sweep and mop. Other than that, it's not terrible. However, my refrigerator, I need to catch my breath. My refrigerator in this closet leaked because I think I know I had set the temperature to the wrong side, so it melted out the ice that was in the freezer, which got onto my floor and onto the carpet. So I'm smelling that like sitting water smell. So we do have to tackle that closet like very, very soon. I don't know if I'll be able to do it today because let me show you. I literally have like all their gifts are like scattered around. That's gifts. So the closet is full and I just can't even imagine doing that today, but we'll see what we get done. I'm gonna start by putting all the gifts on this table for now. Open these yet, so I don't know what's in there. Let's see. Okay. Oh. Got my spoolies finally in one random lash tray. That was late.
Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the soap, how the faucet's running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone, like stuck in your zone. You don't ever, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately I've been a little fed up. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Lazy and broke, know we get this money, so I guess I can't complain. But I feel alone even when we're alone, and that don't cause I think, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately I've been a little fed up. I wish you would just focus on me.
So far, I got one shelf out the way. We got cleaning products here, paper towels, some extra water, an extra cup back there. Here's like some snacks and stuff. This is candy, plates, paper plates, napkins, spoons and forks, cups, some coffee and seasoning back there. So that is one shelf down. We still got a lot more to go. I took up the temporary carpet that I had down here, and the reason why I put it down here is because we had spilled excuse me, spilled paint down here, so I covered it up. But again, it still smells, so I'm going to get some carpet cleaner and carpet powder, and we're going to scrub this up. And I have another carpet that I can lay across here just to make it look better. This bin, I have like my personal hygiene stuff, so like some hair products, some mouthwash, deodorant, toothpaste, and stuff like that. And what I think I'm going to do is have this shelf down here be like for my decor that I switch in and out of. This shelf might be for like my notebooks, training manuals, things like that, like paper stuff. And then these top two shelves are going to just be for items that I don't reach for often at all. So I want to just reorganize it. I'm going to get some more of these white bins that I believe I got from Dollar Tree. So I'm going to get more of those. And a lot of this stuff is actually going to come out. So it's going to look a lot better than this. This is my nail products, which I'll probably put on this shelf with all like my paper notebooks and manuals and stuff. I'll probably move it up here. I probably access these at least once or twice a month when I'm ready to do my nails. And like I said, I probably won't be getting to them today, unfortunately. But I'm going to make some time this week to get my nails done. And I might, once I get this area cleared out, I might move my refrigerator down a little bit. I was also thinking about removing one of these shelves and moving the refrigerator back here. But we're going to see about that because I don't want to like lose some storage space. But I hate these types of shelves because everything like falls through, which is why I got the basket. So, and then like I said, I got my microwave back there. But the reason why I want to move it either down or underneath is because when I have my laundry bag and that starts to get full, or when I'm hanging up like coats and stuff, I basically live here. So I have a ton of clothes, coats and crap. It gets in the way. So I'm like having to push this out the way just to access the refrigerator. So we'll find a solution for that. But for right now, this is the progress. And then I also broke my bed down and took off the blankets and stuff. I'm going to put some fresh sheets on. I already disinfected the actual bed with some Clorox wipes, cleaned down my chair, cleaned down this area right here. And then I think the next video we might tackle the drawers and dressers just to kind of give a good wipe down inside and reorganize the area. Now this, when I had this put together, the person, I got my eggs out to make breakfast in a minute, but the person who put this together, I found like a private contractor and he put my IKEA shelf together. However, when he put it together, he lost some screws. So as you can see, this side has a handle to pull, this side doesn't. I have the handles with me. I just don't have these kind of screws, so I'm gonna have to find some screws like that, and then I'm gonna add those to it. I honestly shouldn't have paid him, but you know, that's neither here nor there. But I just had my coffee. I'm over here watching some more TV. Had my coffee. Ever start a project and then start to question why you did that? That's where I'm at right now. Alright, so we're out of there, and I ended up getting a few extra things, but they didn't have the white ones. Alright, so left the dollar store. I got whatever was left of these bins. They didn't have any more white, but that's okay. It's in the closet. I'm not worried about aesthetics. I got these. I don't know if they really work, but I figured I'd try them. They're turmeric with ginger and black pepper, antioxidant gummies. Then I got some hauls because I'm still not feeling 100%. I'm feeling better, but not 100%. And I got some tussin. I figured since I was there, I'll just grab it and see if it works. But I'm gonna look at the ingredients. I don't like taking medicine, so we'll see if I even take it. I've been trying to thug it out with this sickness, but it's just driving me nuts. Like, we're going on days now. And then I just got some regular Martinelli's. I was sparkling apple juice. Okay. It's good. It's good. It's all right. And now I'm off to run a couple of my personal errands. So I'll check back later. So my plans have been interrupted, y'all. I just finished running a few errands. And stopping to check on my uncle. So right now I'm about to head to the studio for like 30 minutes because I get a call from my kids' school and I have to pick them up at 1 o'clock today. They decided to do an early dismissal due to the inclement weather. I forgot the carpet cleaner. I don't even know what I'm putting in these, but we're gonna put them up there. And I think what I'm gonna do is hide. All right, so that was my neighbor, and we were chit-chatting. So anyway, I don't know where I left off, but it still stinks in here. It smells like freaking wet clothes, so gotta figure that out. I'm about to take these clean dishes and put them in one of these baskets right now. All right, so I'm not leaving that here, but until I figure out where I'm moving the bins at least the stuff is in the bins. And I'm going to do as much as I can do with the little bit of time that I have. Alexa, set an alarm for 12:30 p.m. These are disposable thongs for when I was doing like butt facials, but I don't really get people to book those. So I don't know what I'm going to do with them. These would be good for bikini waxes. So you know what? I'll keep them. And I'll put them in my cabinet. I'm here early tomorrow. Well, I'm here early every day, but I'm here early tomorrow before my 9 o'clock appointment. So I'll be able to kind of like neaten up, and I still have to dress my bed. So I'm going to try to get here, get that stuff situated, but I'm going to close these curtains where I'm going to close those curtains so I don't have to put that table and those gifts back, and we'll act like they're not even here.
Valentine's Day decor. So I'll put that in this thing. These can go in the trash because I don't have the bottom to those. Put this down here.
And that's as much progress as we're going to get done today. I gotta go get these kids from school. I've got a bunch of stuff on the floor that I'm going to tackle. I'm probably going to throw this bin back in the closet. Well, you know what? I'll throw it on the other side of the curtain. And and tomorrow I'll just have to dress the bed and put my stuff back on this dresser properly. So yeah, we got a big task in this closet. I think I'm gonna probably need maybe a couple more bins. We'll see. Maybe a couple more bins, and I feel like I need like a little, some sort of storage solution in here other than bins, but like for the bigger stuff, we'll see. But for today, we're done. But what I think I'm gonna do is one of these days after I'm done with my work day, I'm gonna set the fan up right in front of there after I've shampooed the floor, and I'm gonna just let the fan blow so it can kind of air dry that carpet. We can dry the carpet up as much as I can, or I'm taking the carpet up fully. And that's what we did on the rest of these floors. Then we had laminate tiles put over it. So I might have to do that if the smell doesn't go away, because I can't deal with that. Smells, can't deal with it. And I get complimented often on how good it smells in here, so we're not going to start changing that today. But this is the end of Vlogmas Day 18. Tomorrow we have lashes to do, and you guys are going to come to work with me. So stay tuned for Vlogmas Day 19.